70-20-10 concept. TD has embraced the concept of 70-20-10 as a part of learning. The safety team applies the same approach for the personal and organizational development, with the goal of increasing the safety culture within QR. What is safety culture? Safety culture looks at how all people within an organization behave or react. A simple way of saying that is how you will behave or react when nobody's watching you. 70-20-10 concept is not a recipe that can be followed, but it's a model that can be learned from, which describes how we learn and grow, and which brings experience, exposure, and education together. It's our tool to develop the safety culture. What are the numbers for 70-20-10? 70% indicates the experiential learning, which deals with special assignments and project reviews and apply new learning in real situations. 20% can be presented in the feedback. It's the percent of social learning which can be done by mentoring, coaching, networking, or teamwork. The last portion of that is the 10%. It presents the formal learning and structured programs. Now, to apply the 70-20-10 within a safety culture requires understanding of not only what conditions and behaviors are unsafe, but also what can we do to make things better. Let me introduce to you the 5-step process. It's a standardized and systematic cycle that does not end. It will help managers and supervisors determine the suitable course of action. Let's go through this process one by one. First, identify the hazards. What can cause the harm? Second, identify the risk. How can it happen? Third, assess the risk. How likely or seriously is it? Fourth step is applying control measures, which looks into how to reduce or minimize the impact. Last but not the least is measuring the results. Remember, if you don't measure, how can we know that we are successful? Being a part of the safety, security, and driver training team, let's work together promoting and developing a safety culture.
Created using Powtoon.